Anyway, so we're gonna go shopping for breakfast stuff and then also to make our pie.
Yeah, we're making a peach apple pie.
And we're gonna Rochambeau to see who's blindfolded. So.
Oh, we're doing that today? Wow. Strawberry, cherry,
come on, apple.
blueberry.
Oh, apple. Yes.
Apple
Good
filling.
job, babe. That's why I married you. That is true. Okay, I need a paper towel.
Find it. Where they at?
You're just gonna have me run around aimlessly in the kitchen? Seriously? You're ridiculous.
This is part of the process.
You're absolutely ridiculous. Alright. Check.
Oh, you're fresh here.
Game time, baby.
Mom's peach apple pie. 1 large or 2 small cans of peaches in heavy syrup.
Which we have right here.
There we go.
Huh?
1 can.
Is that logo out?
Kinda. Oh, there we go.
Alright, here we go.
Showcase.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
We need to get the ingredients together. Okay.
Right.
So, strain peach juice into a bowl. Keep for later. So what we need to do is open up the peach can, and then we're going to strain all the juices from the can into a separate bowl.
I do that. They were right here.
You're close. There you go.
They weren't that far away. You pushed them away.
I didn't move them.
You pushed them.
Actually, I did.
Yeah, I know you did.
So we need to find the can opener. Open that up.
How do you use this can opener?
There you go.
Is that right? For real?
Yeah.
Woo!
First, that was pretty good.
Wipe me down. Thank you, baby.
You like,
I don't think I've ever-
denting it.
I don't think I've ever used this can
You'll
opener.
feel it like get loose.
Yes, I understand how can openers work. I'm just saying I've never used it. This can opener.
Yeah, it's a little different.
All right.
That's why I'm saying it gets loose. I'm not gonna say I take that thing off.
I don't need you to tell me.
Oh wow, that took me.
Bruh.
Wow.
How you get it out from here, though?
You gotta turn the thing, the handle to the left. There you go.
Okay. Wait, I
You're probably gonna need that top to strain.
I need a bowl.
Hey, ooh. Okay, since it's glass, I'm gonna
Cheater. Where am I putting it? Is this good?
slowly.
Is it in the sink?
No, it's not in the sink. There's still 2 bowls in this, just so you know.
Oh, there are?
Yeah, just take one. That's big enough for the peaches and stuff.
Okay, let me ready for that.
Okay. Jeez. Oh my god.
What happened?
Threw water all over the counter.
Oh, sorry. Do I need to wipe it up?
I'll get it, because it'll take you. Those are the peaches. Now there you go, and then slow enough.
Is this in the bowl?
Yes, it is. It's in the bowl. But you mean, there you go. Just strain it out. Don't drop peaches in there though.
I feel like this isn't secure. Too bad we don't have an actual strainer.
They're not a big one.
Okay, is that
Okay.
Is that all the juice?
Yeah, it's good.
Is it all of it though? Not good. Is it all of it?
That's good. Yeah, it's good.
Are you sure? Because how can you even really see?
It's all the stuff.
Okay. Okay. Now what?
Cut peaches and apples, combine in a bowl.
Oh wait, so I need to put that. Open the apples too.
Yeah, apparently. Doesn't say.
Apparently.
Did you need a cutting board?
Nope. Put them in this bowl.
You're gonna cut. Ooh, okay.
You country around here, boy.
You country, huh? You ain't country. What you talking about? You city.
Race from, well, I don't know, it's not.
You might have grew up in Idaho. You ain't country.
What's on my hand? What's on my hand? What's on my
I can't
hand? What's on my hand?
It's peach
Just
juice.
wipe it off. Just wipe it off. Get it off. Get it off, man. You're not even helping me. You're not helping me. I'm just thinking of how an anxiety attack. Stop it.
Hey, whoa, don't wipe it on me. But this apron ain't clean. Yeah, it is.
Okay, where was that?
So now you're gonna dump those into a separate
Hold on,
bowl.
I gotta finish opening it.
Let's use our inside voices.
Your teeth.
Just so everybody knows, this is supposed to be a 10-minute prep. We'll be about 10 minutes in, right?
Be a 10-minute prep. Just kidding, Mama Swords, I love you.
Wow.
I can't get this off.
You gotta find a way. Ooh, there we go. Did you get it all?
I don't know.
Did you get the top off all the way? Probably not. Oh wow, okay.
Ooh.
So hold on,
Okay.
I think you just, those are all cut already, the apples. So you don't have to cut those. So you're gonna combine these apples and do
Wait,
a
but
separate
I
bowl.
use this juice?
It says cut peaches and apples, combine in a bowl. And then you take 3/4 of the juice and add it back
Of
to
the
peaches.
juice. But do I add all of this juice into?
It says to cut peaches and
I get
apples,
that, I get
combine
that.
in a bowl.
I'm asking about the juice, babe. Right?
It's, that ain't,
Alexa.
that's a jelly. That's a jelly, there ain't no juice in here. That is a solid.
Alexa. Is Alexa on?
She's off.
You turn her on.
She's on.
Alexa, call home.
You using phone a friend? And this is one of your lifelines?
Stop talking because she doesn't pick up what you're saying if you're still talking. Alexa, call home.
It's not working. She's not working
We
at all.
done broke the Alexa. Did I get it wet?
No.
Can I peek? Can I peek?
Sure, if you would, yeah. I mean, I'm pressing the...
Baby, we gotta turn it on. Come on, millennial. Alexa!
I'm not a millennial, obviously.
Alexa! Call home. This trick.
Calling home's home.
Alexa, turn it up. Hopefully they answer. Wow, so formal.
Thank you.
Hey,
I can't hear you when you're on speaker, babe.
look, just listen.
I
Okay?
can't hear you.
You can't hear me. If you can respond, you can hear me.
It's hard to understand.
Shalita,
Okay,
when Mom put the peaches and apples in the thing, did she put the apples in with the juice?
yeah, everything that's in the Comstock apples goes in. And like, she restricted a little bit.
Okay, was it kind of jelly-like, or are these old?
Huh?
Was it kind of
Canned fooding.
jelly-like?
Yeah, it's thick.
Okay.
It's thick.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a gel kind of.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
You combine the apples
Oh yeah, that's right. Okay.
and the peaches into that.
Apples.
Would you like a spoon? It should all come out now. Oh, whoa, it came out. I almost dropped it all over the place.
Okay. We have another one that's just in case. Okay, is that all of it?
For the most part, just a little bit to scrape out though.
Ooh, a little bit?
Yeah, that's.
Oh, this
You're
is
not-
gross.
Go straight out.
Oh.
All the way up.
Ugh.
I'm not getting anything out yet, putting it at the edge. There we go.
What do you want from me?
Okay, that's good.
Are you
Let me
sure?
see. I can't see you. Yeah, that's good. Here.
You just, for good measure, good measure. Okay.
Nothing came out.
That's
So now you're going to put the peaches in there too.
Okay, peaches.
The lid's still on, the peaches.
I didn't put that on there.
Yeah, you did.
I did?
Yeah.
For real?
I haven't touched anything.
Okay.
That's
you
on
moved-
camera.
You moved.
That's on
inside
camera.
before. Okay. Is this right, Paul?
Yes, it is.
Committing.
Okay. Do you want to cut the peaches up or do you want to have
Yeah,
them whole?
I'm gonna cut them.
Okay.
No. Let me get it.
Oh, Lord have mercy. This is going to be a while. You're not even cutting anything.
You're saying I can feel it. My hands already tired.
Use two hands. No. Like one hand on each. Like one hand on this one hand on the other one. Just there you go. Like you're tilling the garden.
I don't want to cut them up too small.
You had to cut them first.
Is like, really? I haven't cut any?
You cut them, but you were in the beginning. You were cutting it since you started doing it like that. You haven't really cut a whole lot of them.
Okay, is that good? All right.
Do you want me to get a few of them?
Whoa, yeah, you do it, Cut them up, cut them up. Go baby, 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 go baby. Okay. I don't like that noise. Did you stir it up? That's gross.
I just do it, yeah. This noise?
Yeah, I don't like that. Okay. Thank you. Next.
3/4 of the juice and add it back to the peaches and apples. It says peaches, but I think it just says everything that peaches and apples. Obviously.
Okay. How do I know what's 3/4 of this?
Well, I'll tell you when.
Okay.
Do it nice and slow.
All right.
There's not a whole lot in there, so be nice and steady.
Okay. Here we go. Is this good? Is this a good angle?
Yeah, that's a good angle.
Okay.
Keep going. You're not quite there at pouring yet.
Oh, I'm not?
No. Steady. Whoa.
whoa,
You're
whoa,
right at
whoa.
the edge. A little bit slower. I mean, that's good. You're not pouring quite yet. You're right there. A little more. A little more. Keep going. You're right there. You're pouring right now. Keep it going. Steady. A little more.
Okay.
More.
Okay.
More.
Okay.
More.
You said it's not that
Good.
full. You said it's not that full. You need
All right.
to continue to pour it up. Is it?
That's a third of a cup.
Okay. Well, how much am I looking for?
2 teaspoons.
This juice?
There we go, babe.
Can you imagine? Is this my bowl?
Yes, that is the bowl that you're going to be using.
Okay, tell me when to stop. I'm
The-
so nervous.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, keep going.
Oh my gosh.
Keep going. A little more. Stop. Okay, go ahead and dump it. It's right at the top.
Okay.
Okay, we do one more. A little more. Steady.
No.
What? A little more. Okay, stop.
Ah!
Okay, dump it in. Okay, perfect. The cap's still on, right?
Here.
You're a chef. A lot of vanilla in that.
That's hilarious. I was like, wow, I stopped perfectly every
Yeah,
time.
you sure did.
Okay. All right.
Now the cap
Oh,
is
no, I
off.
can smell it.
Yeah, okay.
Okay,
So
all
now you need to be steady.
Okay, I'm scared.
Okay. So you're not pouring.
I can't do it.
Yeah, you can. Come on. Let's go. You ready? So there's it set. Okay.
That's what she said.
And then you're not pouring quite yet. A little more steady.
Why are you bringing it away?
You're not. I'm bringing it on target with it. A little more. You're not pouring yet. Level this out. There you go. You're pouring. A little more. Keep going. You're not quite there. Okay. You missed.
Oh.
It's on the counter.
Uh-oh.
It's all right. Keep pouring to the thing. You haven't got there. You're about halfway there. Move your hand this way, because you're gonna get on the counter. There you
Well, just help me.
go. Now pour. And keep going. Keep going. Okay, stop. Stop it. That's one. Okay, one more.
This is too much, Bob.
Stir it up.
I am, Aaron.
That looks good. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Nice. You got all the stuff out of the middle.
Now what?
And then we're gonna combine the sugar, cinnamon, and flour in a separate bowl and mix well.
So can I just rinse this out and then
The
make it
peach
dry?
stuff is in there. You need to use it for later. So if you want to pour the peach
I
juice,
think I'm done with this.
no, there's still a quarter of the peach juice in this bowl.
Right, I think I'm done with the peach juice.
We need to use it. Oh, okay. I'll drink that.
Ew.
It's peach juice.
It's syrup. It's not peach juice. What do you think this is?
Then dump it out. I like that stuff.
No. Oh wait, we might have to add some more.
All right, here's a little dude.
Okay.
You want to do it?
Nope. Let's do it over the sink though. You ready?
Sink is over here. Here we go.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, just pour.
Yeah.
Pour. Okay, we got it all. Good job. So we've been recording for 26 minutes.
26 minutes.
27 actually.
Oh my god.
And then this is my phone is still recording for 26 minutes as well.
That's my phone.
Your phone.
Here we go. Kobe! Was it close?
They went into the bathroom.
Stop, not in it.
Dead serious. I'll get it there so you can see it when we get done.
Where's my bowl?
I put it over here.
Ooh, okay, is this a little ghost? Did you ever watch that movie?
Ghost?
Yeah.
Is it called Ghost?
It's called Ghost.
No.
With Whoopi Goldberg
Maybe.
and that guy in Dirty Dancing. I don't know his name. Patrick Swayze?
Yeah, a legend. Footloose. Come on.
Okay, I don't think he did Footloose. He did Dirty Dancing.
I'm gonna look that up right now.
He said a legend. Footloose.
Pretty sure Patrick Swayze did Footloose.
Alexa, is Patrick Swayze in Footloose?
No, Patrick Swayze was known for Ghost, the movie, Dirty Dancing, Point Break, and Roadhouse.
I mean, I love it when I'm right.
We can edit that one out too.
I'm not editing that out. I'm really right. How much sugar I need?
Sugar, you need 1 cup. That's not like paper. Alright. Let's try not to spill any sugar though. Steady.
Oh.
Steady.
Okay.
Okay, take it out.
Okay.
Nice and easy. Straight back. Straight back.
Okay.
Okay, back. Dump to the left. Straight down.
Wait, to the
Whoa,
left.
whoa, whoa. No, right here. Go straight down. Go. Nice. Looks like that makes you anxious.
Oh, I like it like that. Working that. I don't know how to act so much for me. So much for me. So much for me. So much for me. Okay. Oops, sorry, bud.
Why'd you stop?
That's the only appropriate part that I know.
Okay, so now when mom's gonna watch this and be like, what? What did you just say?
I think I can just bring it.
Okay. You're getting it all over the counter. Go, you need some more. You need a little bit more.
How do you know?
Because you put it, you sprinkle it in the bowl, but you got it all over the counter. You need do a little bit more. A little more. What's the harm in cinnamon?
No.
You don't know how much is in?
I did with my.
What are you doing?
I need the spoon.
Right here. I'm holding it. And then we'll do.
Second.
Okay, start again.
Huh? Is this good? I'm committing.
And the whole, well,
Oh,
you didn't pour any yet.
okay.
Do we need to put 1 teaspoon of butter for smoothness? Or do you want to not?
Yeah, you do it. I'm over it.
You over it? Dance break time.
Good job, Bobby. Hasta la vista, baby. You know that I need you. I don't even think that's that song. You know I probably should do that.
Yeah. Get it? No, let's go.
I only know this.
You want to pour the butter in? I'm pouring the butter into
Alexa, play Jody Watley.
Shuffling songs by Jody Watley on Amazon Music.
It's a little hot.
Okay. Alexa, you're killing the mood, girl. Alexa, next. Okay, am I done with this?
Alright, straight down. Nice. Here you go.
Okay, this is not it. Alexa, next.
The passion.
No, I want to hear the song. Just sing it. Alexa, play Jody Watley. New Love. I'm looking for it.
Shuffling songs by Jody Watley
Oh,
on
Trey.
Amazon Music.
Alexa, play Jody Watley. I'm looking for a new love.
Looking for a New Love. Rock the Sound remix by Jody Watley. Starting now.
Okay, what am I doing with this?
You're dumping this into the beans, and then you're stirring it up with your whisk. Now, right here, dump straight down. Nice. Put that
No,
over.
this is. Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. She hard-headed.
I'm putting some in.
Wait. Let me cheat. I gotta cheat.
That's not.
I gotta cheat.
Why? It's
Because you
not
don't know
part
how
of the
much
game.
sugar to, or you don't know how much flour to put in it.
Take it then. Look at it.
Ooh.
Why are you cheating? Put your blindfold down.
I didn't get it. Okay. All right.
Now we're gonna put it in the pie crust.
You got it, babe.
Oh. Like it. Because you can cheat. You can see right here.
I can't cheat. Okay, can you into Jody Watley? I'm looking for a new baby.
Don't you want me?
Ooh, that's a good one too. Play that. Play that. I'll dance like you clean.
I'm not kidding. You gotta.
Alexa, turn it up. Oh yeah. Is this showing the aerobics video?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Are they doing this?
No.
Oh. I have to say, if you cleaned it previously, you cleaned it real fast.
You didn't hear it. You were over there yelling at Alexa the whole time. Alexa! 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 That's all you've been doing. Here. So we have
Now you got her tripping out.
So you need to do the pie crust. So you get these in there so we can eat these.
Okay, I'm ready.
Are you?
I'm ready. I'm born ready, baby. Pie crust, check. Hiya!
Roll it out?
We got a rolling pin?
No.
Give me a wine bottle.
Don't break the wine bottle. It has red wine.
Never. Pour me a glass right after.
You done?
Cheating. My eyes are permanent blurry.
Is it? Having your eyes covered for 30 minutes like you just will 45 minutes. Like you just did. Oh, you're swinging that thing around. You hit me in the eye twice, and you're slapping me around. I'm putting that stuff in there right now. I'm putting the stuff in there right now.
There it is. There it is. How we looking?
We're getting there. Almost done. What?
Alright.
What are you doing?
I'm tired.
Are you serious right now? Get back in here. Ain't no quitting. I'm tired too.
I'm real tired.
I can't just go quit in the middle of the video.
Babe, I stayed up the entire trip.
I did too?
No, but no, dog. You slept that entire way to Vegas, please.
No, I didn't. Okay, this is big enough. You wanna look at it real quick?
5 freaking hours.
I don't know.
Oh, now I can cheat? Yeah, let's Okay, babe.
Maybe go check the pie. It's done cooling. Look at that pie, huh? Yeah. Give me the crust.
Well, yeah, just take some. Yep, there you go. Boom. All right. Taste test.
It's hot, but it's really good. Let me get some more.
All right, program.
It was pretty good.
We done did it. Can't stop, won't stop.
I sure will. Is your back this far?